And welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at this particular chart, we have seen there is a continuous downfall we have seen in the price of natural gas. Okay, there is a gap still pending at this particular level. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, the dollar index also being moving upside can be one of the reasons for the natural gas is moving further down. See, if the dollar price increases, what will happen? See, if the dollar price increases, the countries which are importing natural gas, okay, what will happen? They have to pay more amount for the same natural gas they are importing. Okay, and the same way, if the dollar price moves down, they have to pay less amount for the natural gas price they are importing. Okay, now look at this particular chart. The price is trading at a level of $2.3930. This is the prices moving natural gas price. Okay, and then there is a continuous downfall we have seen. Look at this particular chart. Opposite U pattern is forming, okay, from the month of June of 2023, and this is a U pattern is forming here. Okay, and then if you look at this particular, this is a pattern is forming. See, there is a continuous upside, there is a continuous downfall, and then a U pattern is forming. You have to understand, looking at this particular chart, that there is a clear indication that we can see a further fall, because this is overall trend is downside from the month of January. Okay, and from the first week, and if you look at this from this particular trend also, we have seen from the month of June of 2023 there is a clear indication of downfall. Okay, so what we can see looking at this particular chart, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, so let's see the price move upside. Probability is less, but I have to tell you, because you have to understand market is uncertain, and I believe that you should also believe that. Okay, so if you are believing that, you can save your capital by putting your SL. Okay, and this SL you have to decide how you have to put. If you can take a risk of 0.5 to 1% for the particular amount of capital you put in a particular trade. Okay, suppose if you are keeping $1,000 per capital per trade, then your risk will be 0.5 to 1% of that particular trade. Okay, $10,000 or $100,000, whatever you are trading with. Okay, so, and once you are in profit, always try to trail your profit. If you are doing these two things, you will save a lot of money, and then your confidence will also build. Risk and reward ratio will also be increasing. So let's see, suppose if it form a swing, chances are less, but if it form a swing, what we can see, it will go further upside towards a level of $2.4416. Okay, and if started moving above that level, then there is a higher chances that it will cross a level of $2.4816 after crossing a level of 2.44416. Okay, if started moving above that particular level, a further upside movement we can see towards $2.6016, and from there, then there will be a clear pattern forming showing towards an upside, and then we can see towards $2.77. And I have already explained you that if the price started going above level of 2.77, then we can see a further upside movement towards 2.9, and from there, from a level of 2.9, and from there it will cross a level of $3.1416 we can see, and once the price started sustaining over 2.9. Okay, and once started going out that particular zone, we will see it will cross a level of $3.6365. This is the level we can see the price will go if the price sustain above a level of 2.75. Okay, after crossing a level of 2.75, we can see a level of 2.9, then from there it will touch a level of $3.14, and from there a level of 3.3. Okay, this level is already being tested, so then after that it will cross a level of 3.5 also, and then 3.6. There will be a bullish trend we can see after crossing a level of 2.75. But as I have already explained you, market is uncertain, so keep trailing your SL if you are in profit. If you are in, if you have just taken a trade, or try to put in SL. Okay, now understand, if the market didn't sustain that level, or that means if it started going below this particular zone, which is trading at 2.9, 3.3940. If the price didn't sustain, we can see it will move further down towards a level of $2.3546. Okay, and if started moving below this level, and chances are very high it will go further low. Okay, it will go towards a level of 2.3. Once the price started moving below this particular zone, chances are very high it will touch a level of $2.35. and from there probability of going towards a level of 2.2035. Okay, if that level didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see, and from there probability of going towards $2.150. Okay, and if that level further move further low, then we can see it will go towards 2.0573. Okay, and this is the level which is already being a weak support, so chances are high we can see it will move further down and it will go towards a level of $1.90, from there a level of 1.8. Chances will be very high if it started going below a level of $2.3. We can see it will move below a level of $2 also. Okay, as we can see looking at this particular chart, chances are high it will move further down towards 1.9 to a level of 1.8. We can see HNU will move further up, further low, and HND will move further upside, as we can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, so once started moving below 1.8, we can see a level of $1.624 also, and then from there further low we can see in the price of natural gas. Okay, if the price fall below $2, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.